Building the abutments. Large cranes are used to lower rebar cages into position on both banks. These cages serve as the structural skeleton for the bridge's foundations. Additional sections of rebar and concrete forms are added. These pillars are designed to elevate the bridge deck and eventually support the weight of the arch. Once the pillars are stable, the main arch segments are lifted into place by cranes and secured. Following the arch, final steps involve asphalt paving, installing guardrails along the sides of the bridge, and painting lane markings before opening the bridge to traffic.
Reinforcement and foundation. Rebar installation. High-capacity cranes lift and position tall, arch segments are hoisted into place and joined. Vertical columns are then added, followed by horizontal beams. Road deck layers are installed over structural beams, followed by asphalt paving. The project concludes with
ascensions. The process begins with heavy excavators clearing the terrain on both sides of the water to create a stable working environment. 16 cranes. Large cranes lower massive rebar cages into excavated areas. These reinforce the bridge's abutments. To support the bridge deck, vertical pillars are raised using additional rebar and concrete formwork. These pillars, cranes lift large arch segments and secure them into place. Horizontal deck beams are laid across the span to form the
Large cranes are used to lower rebar cages into position on both banks. Concrete is then poured into molds, surrounding it. Additional sections of rebar and concrete forms are added to build the vertical support pillars. These pillars are designed to. Once the pillars are cured and stable, the main arch segments are lifted into place by cranes and secured. The final steps involve laying the bridge deck's surface, followed by paving with asphalt. After the road is paved,
the soil samples confirm the depth we need for the foundation.
And the strength test results are well within the safety margin for the bridge structure. Foundation installation, stable locations are chosen, or supporting piles are driven deep into the ground to provide a substructure completion. Crews build upward until piers and abutments reach their predetermined heights. Using the cantilever method, semi-arches are built out from each side. The final keystone segment is inserted at the superstructure and deck. Roadway installation. Finishing and testing. Inspection.